Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy half up half down hairstyle. I've started with wavy hair, but this looks equally as good on straight hair. So to start, I'm going to divide off the hair from the ear forwards on the right hand side, and I'm going to pull this round to the back and add a small elastic band. Next, I'm going to use my fingers and make a hole above that elastic band, and I'm going to pop my fingers through, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through that hole to create a twist. Then simply pinch and pull the outsides of those twists to create more volume and texture. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So I've left a little bit of hair out to frame the face and then taken all the hair from the ears forward, add your elastic band, and then just create a hole and flip the ends through to create a twist. Then use your fingers to pinch and pull those twists. Next, bring both of those twists to the middle of the back of the head and join them together with another clear elastic band. And then just remove the extra elastic bands from the twists afterwards. Now I'm going to take a section of hair from the left hand side just below the twist, and I'm going to pop my fingers behind the right hand twist, pass the hair to the fingers and pull it all the way through. Then just loosen it up by pinching and pulling and secure to the head with a bobby pin or two. And then just repeat on the opposite side. So take hair from the right hand side, pop your fingers behind the left twist, pass your hair to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Don't forget to secure with a bobby pin. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.